So here we have Taxus brevifolia, or Pacific yew. It's a fairly small tree that grows about 30 to 50 feet tall and ranges from British Columbia and Alaska south into the Sierra Nevadas of California and then east into Idaho and Montana. It prefers moist sites and is often found in mature, even old-growth forests, often in association with Douglas fir or Pseudotsuga menziesii and western hemlock, Tsuga heterophylla. So a few key identifying characteristics for this tree are, first of all, with the leaves. You'll notice that they are linear. They are technically spirally arranged around the stem, however they appear two-ranked, so they appear to lie flat. The needles are dark glossy green above and paler below, but they lack the stomatal bloom that you would find on something like your Tsuga heterophylla. The needles come to a point at the apex, so the pointed apex combined with that paleness without the really vibrant stomatal bloom is one of the key identifying characteristics distinguishing it from a Tsuga heterophylla if you were just looking at the leaves. So this tree from a distance often looks like it's dying. It has a fairly scraggly, not very full growth form, and that combined with that dark, almost purplish bark can contribute to the fact that it just doesn't look like a super healthy tree often from a distance. Another key identifying characteristic is the fleshy aril, and those arils look a little bit like a red huckleberry. So they're anywhere from orange to a somewhat translucent red, and they have a dark seed on the inside. Now that seed is actually considered poisonous for people, although a lot of birds and other wildlife enjoy eating those fleshy arils. So this is a really interesting tree in terms of both its healing properties and what some people see as its toxicity. The bark of the tree contains a compound known as Taxol, which has been used in treating cancer and chemotherapy. In terms of the arils, those arils are often considered poisonous, especially the seed within the aril is typically considered poisonous, but some cultures have actually consumed very small quantities of these arils, although larger quantities were known to make women sterile. The wood of Taxus brevifolia is very tough, heavy, and durable. And in fact, it doesn't require any preservatives or treatments even when it's coming into contact with soil. That makes it an excellent choice for things like fence posts. It's also been used in making bows and paddles and even digging sticks by some cultures.